Have you ever wondered what it would taste like if Taco Bell made baby back ribs? What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today we're making Taco Bell baby backs on the Pit Boss Vertical. Let's go ahead and get into these right now. I've got two beautiful racks of baby back ribs. I've already got the membrane removed, a little bit of mustard. Then we're gonna be hitting up with a little bit of Lane's barbecue, salt, pepper, garlic rub. This is great to cover all your bases when you're making barbecue, and it's a great texture. I really like using it on ribs and butts, things where the texture and the appearance plays a big factor. And you can put this on before or after the mustard. It really does not matter. We're getting a half and half on this rack because, I'm running my mouth. Just make sure you get some salt, pepper, garlic on your barbecue, or just salt, pepper if you're not a big garlic fan. Next, we're gonna be going on with the magic. We're gonna be doing one rack in Taco Bell mild, because some people like mild. And then we're gonna be going with the rest of them Taco Bell original. And we're gonna see what it would taste like if you could go to Taco Bell and order you some baby back ribs, and get them supreme with some sour cream on them. So we're going on with the mild seasoning on this rack. This is just a packet of the seasoning you get at the grocery store to put into a pound of hamburger meat. And we're gonna see what it does for pork ribs. It already smells like Taco Bell. Next, we're gonna be doing the original. Y'all ever see the Sylvester Stallone movie? I think it's Judge Dredd, where everything is Taco Bell. Today, American Smoke is Taco Bell. Just pat it on, the rest of it will sweat on, the mustard will hold it on. We're gonna flip these over. I've just been thinking about this for a little bit. Just wondering, man, I wonder what that would be like, If you're looking for a little variety in your ribs and in your barbecue, why not? I think these packets are like 99 cents. Mild ribs, I'm gonna go heavier on the top. And the sauce today being the mild sauce. I would have went for hotter fire, but they did not have it. So we're gonna go with the mild. Back on the top with the original. Just get it on there, baby, just get it on there. Rest assured, you're gonna have plenty of flavor. We're gonna go ahead, put that Lane's on the top for the look. Pat that on. All right, so we got these ready for the smoker. We're gonna be smoking today at 250 degrees. We're using the 4-130 method. I don't know if you've seen other videos that I've made on baby backs, but that's my preferred method. 4 hours in the smoke, 1 hour in the paper, 30 minutes to set the sauce. Let's go ahead, get them in the smoker. Got these mild ribs. We're gonna be going right there in the middle of that rack, and the originals. You've heard me say this before, when you're cooking ribs, you want to take and push in on it a little bit, bunch those ribs up. Baby backs can be real thin, so you wanna make sure that you bunch them up so that they have a thicker consistency and a better look after they get done smoking. We're fixing to close this thing down. We're gonna come back and spritz them every once in a while, but 4 hours in the smoke. Here we go. We're at about the 2.5 hour mark, somewhere like that. We're gonna go ahead, take a look at these ribs, and we're gonna rotate them. Let's have a look. Oh dear Lord in heaven, look at those. Oh my gosh, Taco Bell. This is something I do on all my ribs and most of my other cooks, is you get a little more heat towards the back of the chamber. So with these, I did 2 separate racks just so that one wouldn't be sitting closer to the back of the chamber than the other. Just want to rotate them. That way you're getting a little bit more even heat distribution. Of course, we're going to go ahead and spritz them. I've been spritzing them about once an hour or 45 minutes or so. Just enough to keep them moist and to keep the smoke sticking to them. So we're about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to wrapping them. And then, it's gonna be on like Donkey Kong after that. So let's go ahead, close this thing back up. We'll see y'all in a little bit when we wrap these ribs. The bell has donged, and it is time to take them out and put them into the wrap. Let's take a look at them before we get them onto the paper though. It's been 4 hours at 250. They are looking fantastic. Let's get them onto the paper, get them wrapped up, get a little butter on them, get them back in the smoke. Okay, so what we're gonna do on these is we're going to just do butter and a little extra of the seasoning. This is the mild rack, so we're gonna hit it up with a little bit of the mild seasoning, just because, you know what, why not? Taco Bell's all about that flavor, and I'm all about that flavor. So we're gonna hit them up with a little bit more of the flavor. Then what I've got here is a little bit of melted, unsalted butter, and we're just gonna pour that just like that over the top. Don't that look good? Like, Zach, I thought those Taco Bell ribs was gonna be good until you poured melted butter over them. Then I was sure of it. I'm not gonna re-season the backside. We're just gonna put a little bit of butter in there, and we're gonna wrap these babies up meat side down. I got two layers of paper here. All right, let's get to the next rack. All right, let's do the original ribs, the original Taco Bell ribs. Just a little bit more seasoning on there because the butter makes everything better. Flip those over into that butter. Finish up my little butter drizzle I got here. Wrap. We're ready to go back into the smoke, meat side down. We've got our mild ribs going right here, back where they came from. The original going right there. We're gonna close this thing up at 250 for another hour. Then we're gonna pull out and put that Taco Bell hot sauce on them and let that sit. Man, I'm really looking forward to this. The smell is incredible. So I wish I could give y'all some smell-o-vision, but that doesn't exist. So you have to take my word for it. We'll see y'all in an hour. That's an hour, folks. Let's get them out and onto the cutting board for a little bit of a mild Taco Bell sauce glaze, and then back into the smoke to set the sauce. Let's get them out. Ooh, the color on these is incredible. No, that's a joke. Look at that, it's just like Taco Bell. It even comes wrapped up in wax paper. Okay, so let's get these mild Taco Bell ribs out. Smells like butter. I wonder why. Ooh, mama. Oops, where Breakham's at? Man alive, did these look good? I mean, they look like smoked ribs. So I don't think that the Taco Bell seasoning, did a whole lot for the texture. I think that's all technique, baby. It's all technique. All right, so let's get some sauce on these babies. So like I said, we are going on with the Taco Bell mild sauce. It says on the front here, it says, "You made my day." You know what, Taco Bell? I hope you make my day with these baby back ribs. We're just gonna do a little glaze over the top. I think this was just a big conspiracy by Taco Bell to get me to make these ribs, and you know what? It worked. It smells just like Taco Bell. Let's get these back into the smoker, set this Taco Bell sauce, and see what it do after that. So the method is called the 4-1-30, but the last 30 minutes you can go all the way through the 30 if you like, or you can just wait until you get the texture and look on the sauce that you want. Dong! I don't know if that was a Taco Bell dong. I don't know if I did it good, but it's time to eat. I don't know if y'all looked at these or not, but they look pretty good. Pretty good. Solid bark. Solid bark. Now, we don't have the shiny, glossy finish that you get with like a sweet barbecue sauce, but what we do have is just some beautifulness. We're gonna cut into these and sort of just see what is going on in there, in the ribs. And you gotta figure out how not to hit a bone. I hate cutting baby backs. Let's just flip this thing over. I hate cutting baby backs. The bones are always so crooked. They feel really good. The knife's going through them really well. Great color on these things. I mean, phenomenal color. And see what's up with these mild Taco Bell baby backs. Y'all know, like that just sounds good. Like I would go to that restaurant and eat that. I would go to Taco Bell and get me some baby backs. Who's all been to McDonald's to get the McRib? And I guarantee you this is better than that. Don't get no more fall off the bone than that. I'm digging it. But you know what? When I go to Taco Bell, you know what they ask me? Do you want to make that supreme? You know what? I think I do. Put a little sour cream on it. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. When I'm at Taco Bell, I don't care what I order. I'm putting more sauce on it. So let's get some more of that mild sauce. See how that is. Even better. That's a good clean bone right there. Man, if y'all are looking for a way to, throw a little variety in your rib game, this is a cool way to do it. Something to talk about when you're eating them too, you know. You sure you got these at Taco Bell? Yeah. These are Taco Bell baby backs. Taco Bell baby backs, baby. Taco Bell baby backs, baby. Just really nice smoke ring. Great color on the ribs. Let's see what this original baby back is all about. No big distinguishing factor between the mild and the original. I would say whichever one's spiciest, go that way. I want some supreme with extra sauce. What y'all think? Tell me that ain't good. That's good. Y'all, go to Taco Bell, order y'all some baby backs. Listen to them laugh. Or you can stay home, make your own, and eat like a Taco Bell king. Like me right now. Y'all get a little sour cream, and I mix a little bit of lime juice in with that sour cream to thin it out a little bit. Put a little sauce on top. I didn't know how this was gonna go. I'm gonna be making these again. I got a piece of bone. Get out. I almost tried to chew through it, not let y'all know, but I couldn't. Thought it was gonna break my tooth. This is delicious. Let me know if you try this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video.